the Garden State Parkway, and we've been on the road for about an hour and a half. And I don't know if you can see far ahead, but, well, we're hitting a lot of traffic today. A lot of traffic, so we're not going to get down there at our usual time. But I'll check in with you later.
Toodles.
Well, we're in bumper-to-bumper traffic. You can't really see in front of these cars, but trust me when I tell you we're in traffic. We've been on the road for 3 hours now. I believe we're in the Ocean City, New Jersey area. Exit, what is it, Dawn? 23. See there? Now, let me try to zoom in. See look at that traffic we're sitting in. Look at those cars. The Garden State Parkway. So we should be there when? In about
3 days.
My daughter has the same sarcastic mouth as her dad, the cameraman. But anyway, maybe in about another hour or less. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Baking Diva. So good to see all of you. Well, you may have figured by now that I'm on vacation. Yes, I am. I'm in Cape May, New Jersey. It's a beautiful sunny day. I'm on the porch swing. One of my favorite places to be, just to sit and relax. So anyway, I'm going to try to take a couple of clips of my vacation. So if you'd like to see them, stay tuned. Toodles! Well, we finally made it to Cape May. Came over the bridge. And I think we're coming to where the dolphin and the whale watcher boats go out. Isn't that right up here?
I think it was just the Mexican place.
All right, we made it to Cape May.
Yes.
On the bridge, you can see some of the boats down there.
Taking videos.
My 3 grandsons all had birthdays. Jake was in March. Aaron was in May. And Kyle was in July. And we missed their birthdays with this crazy virus. So we're down in Cape May and we're going to celebrate their birthdays today. I can't wait till they see these adorable cakes. All right, everybody, we're celebrating Jake's birthday. That was in March. Aaron's birthday. That was in May. And Kyle's birthday. That was the other day in July. Lucas, we're not celebrating because he was in January. So anyway, look at those cakes.
But I'm still in.
This is Kyle's crab cake. And this is Jake and Aaron's fish cake.
Fisherman.
Okay. So should we all gather around and sing happy birthday to them?
Where the eye go?
Ready, set, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jake and Aaron and Kyle. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Make a wish. Woo! All right. This is what I call heaven. Oh, I absolutely love the ocean. It's so peaceful and calming. I could just sit here and listen to those waves roaring in and probably fall asleep listening to the seagulls. Beautiful. Woo! There's Kyle, Lucas, and my son Scott. I think they're posing for a picture. What a beautiful Beautiful. In the water. They said it was warm, but let me tell you, I don't see it warm at all. I think it's freezing. But they don't care. I guess I didn't care when I was their age either. I'm just so happy to be here. Woohoo! Look at it, Lucas. You gotta dig for some more of those. Yeah. There's Lucas digging for sand crabs. What do you have, a little nest, Lucas? I think so, yeah. You already found a few. You're gonna get the bucket. You got another one?
I got one.
Oh, good. Let me see. Whoa! Oh, wait. Let me get a zoom in on that.
Wow.
Woo! There's Lucas's sand crab. Good job, Lucas. There's Lucas. Whoa! I think the water's gonna hit him. He's searching for those sand crabs. He needs to get his bucket to put them in. Lucas found a big one, right, Lucas?
Yeah.
You don't want to get your bucket to put them in? No. That's good. Way to go. All right.
Now watch.
Oh, look. Oh, my goodness. Look at that.
I'm gonna get him back out.
He's going back in under the sand.
Oh. There you go.
Oh, he's in there?
He's in my hand.
In your hand? He's big. Cool. There's a lot of them today, right? Yeah.
I caught a monster.
You caught a monster one? Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
Woo! You okay? Oh, here's Dawn, the beach babe. Hi, Dawn.
Hi, everybody.
She lives for this. She lives for it.
I love it here.
She slathers herself with sunscreen, faces the sun, which I don't know if she should be doing that, but she doesn't care.
You only live once.
That's right. So she only lives once, and it's only once a year. And if the sun comes out, she's up bright and early in the morning, and it's made her day. Well, enjoy, Dawn.
All right, bye.
Bye. There's a gentleman there with his metal detector, seeing if he could find anything valuable. Here's Lucas. He's hungry from the beach. What are you having there, Lucas?
Just an everything bagel.
An everything bagel, yeah. We're going to go out. We're going to go into town tonight, aren't we? Into Washington Square. Yeah. We're gonna eat there, and we're gonna shop. Do a little shopping. Okay, give me that smile and a wink. See you later.
I just lost my tooth.
There's Lucas looking in the mirror. Let me see, Lucas. Look at me. Oh my God, Lucas's tooth fell out. Let me see. On vacation. There it is.
I can finally eat food.
Yeah, now you can eat. You just said that bagel was hard to eat, right? Where are you putting it tonight for the tooth fairy? We gotta get you a little baggie in the kitchen to put it in. Good job, Lucas. Please, no bicycles, dogs, or skateboards allowed on the Washington Wall. Little fountains here. You walk up and down the street, and there's all little shops, and there's restaurants, and cars are not allowed on this street because it's all cobblestones for people. And look what the restaurants did to improvise for not being allowed to eat inside the restaurant. They have big tents, and there's those seagulls, and they have separate restaurants in different tents so the people can eat outside. Here's Love the Cook, Kate May Roasters. I'm gonna go in there. All kinds of cooking things in there. And when you enter, the entire store smells like coffee. If you buy coffee, they'll grind it for you. All kinds of goodies in here. There's all kinds of cookie cutters. There's cups of tea, there's fish, there's a piggy. Oh, I hear them grinding coffee in the back. All kinds of cookie cutters. Look at all the muffin mixes. There's carrot muffin mix, and this one is orange poppy seed. All kinds of baking things. More cookie cutters. Oh, look at that red bread box. That's cool. Oh, over here, look. There's more of them. What is this? Oh, this one makes, it's pumpkin muffin mix. What is this? Watermelon. I don't know what that is. It doesn't say on it. There's no tag. Pumpkin muffin mix. That sounds good. $5.99. And what's up here? This is another muffin mix. What is that? Let me see. Muffin mix. This is, let me check it out. Cranberry muffin mix. Cool. All kinds of gadgets. Fun store to come in. And here's the coffee wall. Look at all the different kinds of coffee they have. And then they grind it for you. Best part of the store is the smell. Here's some local Kate May favorites. And look at the coffee of the month is frozen banana. Oh, look at this. This is a Greek cold pressed oil. Yep, product of Greece, 100% extra virgin olive oil. And they put it in the bottles for you. Cool.